I'm going to be making coconut pudding. I'm going to be using 2 cans of coconut milk. Half a cup of cornstarch. Here it is. Cinnamon. Vanilla. Salt. And sugar. Of course, this is the container that I'm going to be using. The stove is not on yet. I'm going to be using this casserole to add the 2 cans of coconut milk. I'm going to be adding the cornstarch. Mix very well, and remember, the stove is not on yet. I'm going to be adding half a cup of white sugar. Mix again. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, let's add half a teaspoon of salt and mix again. Now it's time to turn on the stove, and I'm gonna put it on medium temperature. I'm gonna keep mixing the ingredients all the time, because if you stop, the ingredients can stick on the pan. Now I'm gonna get a big spoon because it's gonna be easier to keep mixing. We're gonna keep mixing until we get a thick consistency. This is gonna take a couple of minutes. It has been 5 minutes already and I'm still mixing. I changed the spoon again because the other one was not helping me that much. The glass container that I'm going to be using for the pudding is a little wet because this is going to prevent the pudding to stick on the container. It has been 7 minutes already, and it's time to change the temperature to a medium-low. The consistency of the pudding looks pretty nice. Now I'm going to turn off the stove. It took me around 8 to 9 minutes to get the desired consistency. Very quickly, I'm going to add the pudding into my container. Now let the pudding come to room temperature, around 1 hour. After that, I'm going to cover the pudding with a plastic wrap and put it on the fridge for a couple of hours. It took about 3.5 to 4 hours on the fridge. Now I'm going to take the pudding out of the container and put it on this cake board to show you guys how it looks. It looks so pretty and delicious. Now it's time to sprinkle the pudding with cinnamon. For me, this is the best part. I'm gonna cut a little bit and I'm gonna try it. I'm pretty sure it's gonna taste so good.